Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about bob haircut ideas for women over 50. Bob haircuts are very popular because they look neat, stylish and easy to care for. They also help women look fresh, confident and youthful. As we grow older, our hair becomes thinner and needs more care. Bob haircuts are perfect because they add shape, volume and elegance. Let's look at some beautiful bob haircut ideas that are great for women over 50. First is the classic bob haircut. This style is simple and timeless. It usually falls around the chin or jawline. It looks very clean and professional. This hairstyle suits almost all face shape and is easy to maintain. Next is the layered bob haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. This style is perfect for thin or fine hair. It makes the hair look fuller and healthier. A layered bob also gives a soft and youthful look. Another lovely option is the short bob haircut. This haircut is light and comfortable. It is very easy to manage and style. Short bobs are perfect for active women who like a fresh and modern look. They also highlight the neck and face beautifully. Now let's talk about the long bob, also called the lob. This bob is slightly longer, usually touching the shoulders. It is a great choice for women who don't want very short hair. The lob looks elegant and works well with straight or wavy hair. Next is the bob haircut with bangs. Bangs help hide forehead lines and soften the face. Side swept bangs look very natural and stylish. They add charm and make the face look younger. Another great style is the wavy bob haircut. Soft waves add volume and texture to the hair. This style gives a relaxed and graceful appearance. It is perfect for both casual and special occasions. Now let's move the textured bob haircut. This style has light layers and soft ends. It gives a natural and effortless look. Textured bobs are easy to style and look good even without much effort. Let's talk about angled bob haircut. This haircut is short at the back and long in the front. It gives a modern and stylish look. This haircut also helps make the face look slimmer and more defined. In the end, bob haircut are a wonderful choice for women over 50. They are stylish, comfortable and easy to maintain. The right bob haircut can make you look confident and beautiful at an age. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.